How to pay bills online via Coast Capital Saving. Hey everyone, today we'll go through a quick guide on paying your bills online with the Coast Capital Savings. But before we get started, I'd like you to head down below, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Now let's just jump in. First, you need to log into Coast Capital mobile app or online banking website using your credentials. I'll just open up the app over here and then simply enter your username and password to log into your account. Once you are logged in, all you have to do here is then find your dashboard, and from your dashboard you can select pay bills or payments. Then you could just go ahead and navigate the menu, tap and select pay bills. Then you want to select your payee and your account. So what you can do is just go ahead and choose the pay from your saved list or add a new one by entering the company name, account number, and other required details. Enter the amount you want to pay and select the account that you want the funds to come from. Then you could also select your payment date or details. You can input the amount you wish to pay and select the date you want a payment to be sent. You can set the payments up to a year in advance. Then you could also choose whether you want to send it as a recurring payment or just a one-time payment. And then you can just confirm and schedule your payment. Review all of your details very carefully, and once everything looks good, tap Submit or Pay. You'll receive a confirmation on the end screen, and if enabled, a receipt via email will also be sent. Your payment will be processed according to the pay's schedule, and that's it. You've successfully paid a bill with the Coast Capital Saving. Remember to like, share, and tap on the bell icon to stay updated with more quick tutorials. I'll catch you guys in the next one.